Hi guys, I hope your day is going well. I am going to show you how to create your Lightbox and finish it. If there's any problems today, then make sure you see me on Tuesday. Otherwise, take everything home today. You can, it's all done, graded. You guys can take them home. So what you will need are the following things. You'll get your plexiglass, your Lightbox. You're going to grab a cord, and you're going to grab a light bulb. Now, first thing that you're going to want to do is in your light box, you're going to take this cord, you can undo it. You might want to keep this so you can wrap it up later when you take it home. But you'll notice here, oops, there's these little clips. They have the two little notches right there. Those, and they're on the other side too. Those are going to go into and latch onto the edge of that. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this, you put it inside of there, and you're going to squeeze it until those little notches right there latch into there, and then it won't go anywhere. Then your cord is going to get pushed into that way. Light bulb, just take it in, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Now, if you want a colored light bulb, it just has to be this size. You can find them anywhere you want that has light bulbs, and make sure you screw it in all the way. This one it's just a cord that plugs straight into the wall, so it's either going to be on or off. Okay? As far as the plexiglass goes, when you peel this off, you're going to do both sides. Try not to slide it around because it will scratch if you do that. The back side should come off pretty easy. Get the whole thing. Peel that all off. On the front side, there's a couple things about this here, and you should get the big part out, but there's some of your designs have letters and things. You're going to have to use your fingernail and try to pull that all out. And then other people have, like, if you do any pictures of sports players or humans or animals or something, you might be able to just take your thumb and rub it off. If you want to keep it because it looks better with that paper on there, you can leave the paper on. Just make sure that it looks like you want. The only problem with that is that you will not be able to take and clean your plexiglass with like Windex or something like that. But you can see as I go through with this, and I'm not going to do the whole thing, but all these little pieces are going to come off and it'll start getting your picture in there. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it right there. But you'll have your design all done. When you're done, you're going to take this, you're going to put your plexiglass in there. This one obviously does not have it. And you will plug it in, make sure that the light works. If it doesn't work, then what will happen is you might want to go ahead and take the light bulb and screw it in a little bit. Okay, and I don't know if you can see that with the light in here, but we'll turn all the lights off. There's some power strips on the woodshop tables, and find yourself a plug them all in, turn them all on, make sure they all work, and then you guys can turn all the lights off so you can see how it actually works. Okay? When you're finished with this, then you should go on to Inventor and start working on your drawings for your dragsters. Have a good weekend, and we'll see you on Tuesday.